Welcome everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about something very, very powerful. Something that can change your life, your future, and even the way you see the world. That power is called belief. Yes, belief. Just one small word, but it can create magic in your life. So sit back, relax, and listen carefully, because what I'm about to share with you might stay in your heart forever. What is belief? Belief is when you trust something. It is when your heart says, yes, I can do it. Yes, this is possible. Yes, I believe in myself. For example, a bird believes its wings can fly. A seed believes it can become a big tree. A student believes, if I study hard, I will pass the exam. Without belief, we feel weak. With belief, we become strong. Belief is like invisible fuel. You cannot see it, but it gives you energy to move forward. Why is belief so powerful? Let me tell you a secret. Your brain listens to what you believe. If you believe, I am strong, your brain will make you strong. If you believe, I am weak, your brain will make you weak. This is the power of belief. Think about Thomas Edison, the man who invented the light bulb. People laughed at him. They said, "You are crazy. You will never succeed." But Edison believed in himself. He tried not once, not 10 times, but more than 1,000 times. Finally, the light bulb was born. Now imagine, if Edison had not believed, we might still be sitting in darkness. The story of the elephant. Let me share a simple story. Once upon a time, a baby elephant was tied with a small rope. It tried to break free but couldn't. Slowly, the baby elephant started to believe, I cannot break this rope. Years passed. The elephant grew very big and very strong. But even then, it never tried to break the rope. Why? Because it still believed it was weak. This is exactly how many of us live. We are strong, we have talent, we have power, but we don't believe in ourselves. And so we stay tied like the elephant. Belief and success. Let me tell you the formula for success. Belief plus action equals success. Belief alone is not enough. You must also take action. But action without belief is weak. Imagine two boys playing football. One says, I will win. The other says, I don't think I can win. Both play the same game, but the boy with belief plays with more energy, more confidence, and more courage. That's why belief is the starting point of success. Michael Jordan, the great basketball player, was once rejected from his school team, but he believed in himself and became a legend.
Abraham Lincoln failed in business, lost elections many times, but he believed he could still win. Finally, he became the President of the United States. J.K. Rowling, the author of Harry Potter, was rejected by 12 publishers, but she believed in her story. Today, Harry Potter is loved all around the world. Belief in daily life. Belief is not just for big goals. It also works in small things. If you believe you will have a good day, you will notice good things. If you believe you can make a new friend, you will smile and talk with confidence. If you believe you can learn a new skill, you will keep practicing until you succeed. Belief makes every part of life better. Wrong beliefs. But wait, there's also a danger. If you believe in wrong things, it can hurt you. Example, if you believe, I am useless, you will never try to improve. My dear friends, remember this. You are stronger than you think. You are smarter than you believe. You are braver than you feel. The only thing stopping you is your own belief. So today, make a decision. Believe in yourself. Believe in your dreams. Believe that you can and you will. Because once you start believing, miracles begin to happen. So friends, that was today's talk about the power of belief. If this video touched your heart, share it with your friends, because maybe someone out there needs to hear these words. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring videos. And always remember, your belief can change your world.
Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.